What is up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Alan. Thank you guys for coming to another video. And we are back to FIFA 15. Yes, we're going to open some packs and see what we can get today. Maybe our pack luck will be pretty great or pretty bad. Um, so this is Team of the Week from Wednesday. Hopefully we get Adam Lallana, Rooney, or Loris, or Ashley Young. Because those are the informs I really want. Mostly because of Rooney. It costs around 600k. So let's get right into the packs. There's no special packs for now, but EA will be releasing them later. So let's open the first one and let's skip this one and we get um, not pretty. It's not that good, but we'll send it to the club. All right. First pack that was pretty bad. Let's go down to the second pack. This we won't skip, and we get. I don't want those players. These players are shit, I swear to God. Ugh. Third pack. Let's see who we get. Because I want someone pretty good, at least. And we got... okay, we're getting there. Diego Lopez, not that bad. Okay, he's okay. I'm pulling him in the transfer list for now. Ooh, we can put this too. And send all this to club. Fourth pack. Our pack luck has been pretty shit for now. And we got Richards. Wow. That's okay, we'll put them in the club in the transfer list. And okay, let's just put it over there. Sorry for the background noises, my family. Okay, let's skip this, and we get another shitty pack. Okay, let's just throw them all in the club. Okay. Yeah, throw them in the club. This is the 6-pack, I believe. Open 5 more than that. And we get shitty packs. Wow. Okay. Put them on the transfer list. And you put them in the club. Alright. Oh. Do I really have this quick sell? Alright, we'll open 3 more. Let's see who we get. I want to inform. Give me an inform, EA. Don't give me freaking Di Natale. Fuck you, EA. Always giving me shit players. I swear to God. Okay, 2 more. Come on, I want an inform. I haven't got an inform in a while. Who the fuck are these players? Oh, that's a good stadium. That's Real Madrid. I don't want these players. What the fuck? Come on, EA. Give me an info. At least a good player. That's all I want by the end of the day. Actually, put him in the club. Okay. You know what? Yeah, 2 more packs. Okay. Give me somebody decent. Okay. Please, I beg of you. I'm gonna close my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna open them now. What the fuck? Jones and... you know what? Fuck this. I'm just gonna quick sell them. These packs are shit. I swear to God. Okay, you know what? EA is just taking the piss right now. EA. You're taking the piss. I'm wasting my money for no reason. Oh my God. Okay, 1 more pack. 1 more pack. This one, skip it. Of course, shit. Okay, you know what? Okay, well, this is the last one. Oh my god, we barely got anyone good today, man. Barely. Okay, last one. This one. Okay, I'm gonna leave the room. I'm gonna leave the room and come back. Let's see who I got. Okay. What the fuck? I end up. Oh wait, is this guy pretty? Okay, he looks. I don't know. He's probably shit. Of course he's shit. Ah, okay. Yep. This is probably one of the worst pack lucks I have ever experienced. Well, we didn't get an inform, which freaking sucks. It does. It really does. But if you guys did enjoy the video, can we smash 10 likes for this pack opening? And yeah, fuck you EA for not giving me an inform. And peace.